Hello ladies, here's Susanna. So, Happy New Year. If I didn't congratulate you in person here in virtual, I have one idea. What if we create, and this is going to be a bilingual video, so those who speak in English can hear now, Slovak a little bit later on. I have an idea to create a virtual class every month, one time per month, one in English and another time slot in Slovak. So what do you say? I would love to create a face yoga virtual class with you, and it will be full hour full of face yoga, meditation, and obviously the back stretches because that also reflects on the face. Let me know in the comments, and more information could be found down there in the text. Takže teraz po slovensky. Tí, ktorí hovoria po slovensky, mám takú ideu vytvoriť virtuálnu hodinu. Stretávali by sme sa raz za mesiac. Bolo by to náš priestor, váš. Ja by som vás teda učila Lotus Face Yoga a skupina, bolo by to hodina plná tvarovej jogy, pochopiteľne meditácií a taktiež pozícií, aby sme si uvoľnili náš stuhnutý chrbát. Dajte mi vedieť, čo si o tom myslíte dole v komentoch. Čaute!